Click the subscribe button and click the bell icon for all the new updates from our channel. Hello everyone, welcome to Grey Pot. Today's recipe is a toothsome burfi. Easily available ingredients, simple to make and delicious. So let's see how to make this. These are the only ingredients you need for this recipe. And all the ingredients are in half cup measurement. First, heat a pan and dry roast the gram flour. If you don't roast the gram flour properly, you will get a bitter taste for your burfi. Now add in powdered nuts. I used cashew nuts and almonds. Add in some grated coconut. Either you can use freshly grated or desiccated coconut. Roast it for 2 minutes. Add in half a cup of milk and mix it. Now add 1 cup of sugar and half a cup of ghee. When you add sugar into a hot mixture, it will get melted. So the entire mixture will become liquidy. You have to continuously mix it and cook the mixture till it becomes thick. Now the burfi mixture is ready. You have to transfer it into a greased bowl. Level the top with a greased spatula or with a spoon. You can garnish the top of the burfi with some sliced or chopped nuts. After 30 minutes, the burfi will be perfectly set. You can cut this into squares or any desired shapes with a greased knife. Our yummy 7-in-1 burfi is ready. So definitely try out this sweet during this happy Diwali. These delicious sweets are perfect for gifting on any special occasions. So definitely try it out and give this video a big thumbs up. Follow us on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter and Pinterest. Click the logo to subscribe to Grey Pot and watch more interesting and unique recipe videos from our channel. Do check it out. Thank you.